What up YouTube, it's Twins, Balto34 here with Volt Striker and Electric Shock. And me, AVA Freak, I got a surprise package for Irmar, so she's gonna open it right now. So yeah, let's begin. Yeah. Okay, so she's opening it. I still don't know what it is. Try not to panic here. I was trying to think. Okay. So, pedicure. So she got me the TY German Shepherd, and he's so cute. Okay. Alright, she's really excited. So that concludes the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! What up YouTube? It's Twins Balto34 and we're here with our Funko Pop German Shepherd, Electric Shock and Volt Striker. And I customized him, so yeah. So we showed you guys the video that you guys just saw right now. So sorry, I know I panicked a little bit cause I was not expecting that. You know guys, that my favorite animal is a German Shepherd, and I was in shock because I was not expecting to get the one I got. So thank you, AVA Freak. You're welcome. And I'm gonna show him again, and I have picked out a name for him, so I'll show you guys him right now. So here he is, and I named him Viton, which means lightning, and there's his little TY tag thingy, and he is so soft and super cute, and he's just so adorable. And he came with this like light brown collar on him. So that is him. So thank you again, AVA Freak. Was not expecting this. You're welcome. So yeah guys, so comment, like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Bye.